Today I'm going to teach you how to repair one of the most common dry rot issues. That is your door jamb, the lower corner of your door jamb. I'll show you. Right here, the water happens to come down, gets all squishy like that. These are the three tools you need, three items. You need an oscillating tool, a sharp blade, you need a piece of wood this is a 2.5 inch by 5/8, and then possibly some WoodEpox. All right, let's just see how bad the damage is. Ooh, that really goes deep, jeez. Doesn't matter. We got an 8-foot long piece of wood, so you can go as far as you want. All right, looks like a good spot. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it right about there, right there. Then cut that out. Oscillating tool right there. So you can see what it looks like in there. What I should have done is pull this out a little bit first so I don't actually cut it like I did. You can see there. So they're 7 inches long, that space there. This goes right there. So what I've done is I put shims in there, which are about that thick. Put them there. I'll show you what happened. It was perfect on the bottom, but the top it didn't fit. So here's my way of creating my own shims. You just put 2 screws in there, and you can adjust them with your screw gun. It's just kind of nice. So go ahead and put that in there. Let's see. All right, let's see how it's fitting. Ooh, wow, that is perfect. Right exactly where I have it. Yep, it's a perfect fit. One more. There we go. Perfect. Using the WoodEpox, you definitely want to wear gloves. Equal parts. Shove it in there. Put some here too. This I could just use caulking actually, but since I've already mixed this, go ahead and shove it in there. Okay, for this weather stripping, since there's a little groove right there, and there's no groove in what I just installed, I'm gonna cut a groove using my oscillating tool, my Rockwell. Just gonna buzz right on down and slide this little piece right in that slot.